Hello and welcome to WordPress Insights with Sophie. WordPress Insights is a series of videos that will contain essential tips that we hope will make the experience of editing your website an easy one. Before we get started, please give this video a like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get informed when our next tip is live. Comment down below if you have any questions about our topic today or if you need your question about WordPress answering. In our last video, we logged onto WordPress as an administrator and we learned how to add a menu to your website. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a submenu and remove items. Let's just go over some basic names you'll need to know. So, as you can see, here is our website. This section at the top is known as the main menu. Any pages like this that are underneath the main menu and appear if you hover or click on that item are known as submenu items. As you can see, on our menu, underneath About, we have one submenu option, Meet Our Team. Submenus are really useful in managing your content into digestible chunks and are the basis for good navigation to help your visitors find the information they need on your website. Submenus can be used for a variety of reasons, whether that is linking to more pages on your website or jumping down to different sections on your page, called anchor points. If you're not sure what should be in your submenu, a good rule of thumb is to think, is the page I'd like to add into my submenu relevant to the main menu item it's linked under? Does it provide further information on that main menu item topic? If the answer is yes, great, that is where the page should go. And if the answer is no, then there's probably a better fit for the page under a different main menu item. If the page provides more information based on a few pages, no problem, just add it multiple times. To add a new page to a submenu, we're going to follow these steps. Make sure you are on the editing page for your menu. Check out our last video if you need a reminder. Choose which menu item you would like the submenu to appear under. I would like to add the About Beach Web Services page as a submenu option underneath About. To do this, I will check the box next to that page in the options list. Then I will click Add to Menu. As you can see, it has been placed at the bottom of the menu. To move the item to a submenu position, we are going to look to the About page, as this is where the new menu item will sit underneath. Then, like last time, we will drag and drop the menu item underneath it. Here's the new part. Drag the menu item slightly to the right with your mouse. You will see this dotted outline that has appeared with an indent from the left-hand side. This is indicating to us that this will be added as a submenu item. You will also see grey text informing you that it has been added as a submenu item. Once you've dropped the page in this location, click on Save Menu. Now, go to your website, refresh the page, and check underneath your main menu item. You will see that your new page is in the menu. You have successfully added a page into the submenu. As mentioned, I'll be showing you how to remove a menu item too. So let's jump back to the editing tab that I have open. I would now like to remove the blog menu item. To do this, I will simply click the drop down arrow on the blog menu item, then click on the red writing that says Remove. That's it, gone! Of course, it's just the menu item that's gone. You can add it again at a later stage if required. Press Save Menu. Then, as always, let's double check on the other tab to see if our change has worked. And it has. We have successfully added a submenu item and removed a menu item. In the next video, we will take a look at the WordPress editor toolbar. Thank you for watching WordPress Insights with Sophie. We hope this video has helped you with your WordPress website. Please give this video a like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. For further information or to get the most out of your WordPress website, please get in touch with us via our website, beachwebservices.co.uk, our phone 01925 387 040 or by email info@beachwebservices.co.uk. Thank you, and we hope to see you next time.